Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Roop and my husband behind the camera, he's Jeet.
Hey guys.
So today we came up with a recipe. It's paneer roll recipe. It's too yummy for me, of course, but the reason why I came up with this recipe today, because the last time when I made it, my favorite deor was right here, and he made me confident enough that it's super yummy, and I thought that he liked it so much that he asked me to cook it twice or thrice for him. So I thought that why not to share this yummy recipe with you guys. And it's super easy, you don't need much to do with it, you don't need much efforts or anything, you don't need to cook a lot for this thing, and it's very basic. The ingredients are very basic that you can find in our daily routine eating stuff. And so without wasting any further time, let's go and jump into the recipe. So for stuffing in with paneer, we need some capsicum, some shredded cabbage, some onion. It's your choice, you can take either red onion or white onion. I took white, and I squeeze a few fresh lemons. So this is the juice of approximately like 2 fresh limes. And I took 400 grams of paneer. So let's just start with marinating the paneer first. For marinating the paneer, I'm gonna go ahead and I took 400 grams of paneer, and I'm gonna take 3 big spoons of curd in this to marinate, and then we will let it sit for like 10 to 15 minutes. By that time you can chop your veggies. For 400 grams of paneer, I'm gonna take 1 small teaspoon of salt, or you can take it as you like according to your taste, and some red chili pepper because it gives a really good color and it's not spicy. So I'm just adding this for the sake of color, or otherwise I used to mix tandoori mix spices, but I don't have that today, so I'm gonna go ahead with this. For the spice, I'm just gonna add like 2 pinches, I would say, of black pepper. That is it. And then I will add a little bit of, this is Badshah's Kitchen King Masala. You can add anyone's. MDH is my favorite. I don't know why. Since we were a child, we have seen that. But I've got this, so I'll just sprinkle it like half spoon of it for now, and then for the marination, and then later on I will add a little bit of it. I'll show you when. So we will let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. So it's been like 15 minutes and it's marinated well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this is Great Value Classic olive oil. You can take any of it. So I will take like 2 spoons of olive oil, warm it up well, and then I'm gonna let it get warm. A little bit of the oil is warmed up now, so I'm gonna add this marinated paneer to it. So we will cook this for like 5 minutes on medium flame. Don't just cook your paneer too much, otherwise it's gonna be cheesy, it's not gonna be soft. So I will let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes. So it's totally your choice if you want to saute your salad or not. I prefer it to be a little bit of saute so that it can give a good taste. Otherwise, it's totally okay if you want it to be just more crispy. and then you can just go ahead and put all of the capsicum, the cabbage, the onion, or you can also add some carrot or anything you want to be in your salad, and you can mix them well in a bowl and put a little bit of salt or any spice you want into it. But I like it to be a little bit cooked, a little bit, not much. I also like it on the crispier side, but I like it to be cooked a little. So for that, I'm gonna use a little bit of olive oil. I would say like 2 spoons. So to saute the salad, I'm gonna add the onion, and right with that I'm gonna add finely chopped capsicum or bell pepper, whatever you like to call it. Give them a good mix. I won't put my shredded lettuce to saute. I will just add it crispier and raw to the paneer rolls at the end, but I like the onions and bell pepper to be cooked a little bit. And then to this you can add a little bit of salt. Don't forget that you have already added salt to the chutney and to the paneer, so don't add too much of salt to this. And at the same time I'm gonna add my Indian desi masalas. So for that I'm gonna add very little, like few pinches of turmeric, haldi, 2 pinches of black pepper because my mom doesn't like it to be very spicy, 2 pinches again of red chili powder just to add the color, and then half to half, I mean like quarter spoon, little teaspoon of garam masala. You can also add dhania powder to it, but I don't like it because we have already added cilantro in our chutney. And then I'm gonna add a teaspoon of, actually 1.5 teaspoon of Kitchen King masala. This is my favorite. I just love this masala. And then
it is very tasty.
Yeah, it just gives that taste. It depends upon you. You can also, if you don't like Kitchen King masala, then you can add chaat masala to it, but I prefer the Kitchen King masala more. So I'll just give them a good mix. And see, it is crispy, but at the same time it's cooked a little. So it's been like 5 minutes I've been cooking them, and then I will turn off the gas. Okay, so for our chutney we need mint, coriander leaves, or you can also say cilantro, a little bit of fresh lime, ginger, and 3 to 4 garlic cloves, and last is curd. So for the chutney I'm gonna take mint, and then I know I'm taking little extra because me and my husband, we love this chutney, so we make it a little extra so that we can use it other day too. And after that I took this whole big bowl of cilantro, or you can say coriander leaves, and then I'm gonna take 4 cloves of garlic and this much like ginger. You can take it according to your taste, my mom loves it, garlic and cloves, so we like to put some extra. And I'm gonna take 2 to 3 spoons of lime juice, and whatever the curd was left from that bowl, I'm gonna put it in. This is half bowl approximately, like 3 to 4 big spoons of curd in the chutney. And you can add a little bit of water, but I'll see how much I need the water, so I will just give it a try first, and then I will add water accordingly. So this much consistency is good enough. If you want, you can go ahead and grind it more. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of salt to it, but don't add too much because we have already added the salt in the paneer as well, and I'm gonna add the salt to the salad too. So for the rolls, I'm using today flour tortillas. You can also use freshly made like chapatis at home, or it could be either of wheat or any of your taste. My husband likes it to be corn tortillas, and I like it to be simple flour tortillas. Wheat, it has not properly wheat, but it just says that flour tortillas, that is it. So I'm gonna use this one today for myself, and for him I'm gonna use the corn ones. But you can make fresh chapatis at home, or parantha, anything you want, and then you can warm them up, and then you can fill in the stuffing. So I'm gonna warm this up. So I'm gonna warm up the pan, and then I'm gonna warm up the tortillas. So I'm gonna go ahead, put this a good layer of the mint and coriander chutney on it first, because this is the thing that gives it the actual taste. And then I'm gonna add these veggies. As I told you, you can mix any of the veggies you want as a salad of your choice. I just like simply the bell pepper or jalapeno and onion, and then I'm gonna use the shredded lettuce on it, the paneer, So hope you like the recipe and hope you will enjoy. Please go ahead and do try this. It's super yummy. And if you like it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and let me know in the comment section what else is your favorite recipe with paneer, because I'm a big fan of paneer. And yeah, then hope you guys are all healthy and safe at your home. So spread the smile. Sat Sri Akal from me and my family. Spread the smile. Bye bye.